Welcome back, Jebel. In this tutorial, we're going to make our 2D shapes into 3D shapes. We're going to use the push-pull tool. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm just using my pan tool to move my axes just a bit to the left, and then I'm going to use my zoom tool to zoom in. So there you go. So I'm just dragging down to zoom in, and I'm using also my pan tool to move my character page. Okay, there is my axis. I'm going to draw my 2D shape just here. So I'm going to go to my rectangle tool, which is just here, and I'm going to choose my rectangle tool here. Move my mouse where I want my rectangle to start. Then remember, press the up arrow on the keyboard so it makes sure it's on the correct axis. Then click and hold and drag, and I get my rectangle. So I'm going to build a rectangle, or create a rectangle about that size. Once I'm happy, I let go, and that creates my rectangle. Now, to make my rectangle into a 3D shape, you use the push-pull tool. But first, I'm just going to use my hand tool to move my shape into the middle, then zoom out. I'm using the mouse wheel this time to zoom out, and my push-pull tool is just here. This is the push-pull tool. This is the sixth tool upwards from the bottom. So you click once and then choose the first choice from the three choices there. Okay, once you've got that, you'll see your push-pull, my mouse pointer has turned into a kind of a rectangle with a red arrow pointing upwards, and that's the push-pull tool icon. And then you move that mouse pointer over your 2D shape, and as soon as you move over it, you'll see that you get blue dots, and that means it's ready to lift up or pull. So you click and hold your left mouse button down and drag upwards, and that will amazingly pull your object from 2D into 3D. Once you're happy with the height, you can let go. If you want to change it again, you just click and hold again and drag up and down. You can also do the sides like that. Just move your mouse over the side and it will go dotted. Once it's dotted, just click and hold, and you can push and you can pull. That's why it's called the push-pull tool. Push and pull. Okay, but maybe I want to do the other side of my shape. Now there's a really useful tool to rotate around your shape, and that's the orbit tool. I'm going to show you that now. So I'm just going to zoom outwards using my mouse wheel, and I'm also going to use my pan tool just to drag it here. And now the orbit tool is where your pan tool is. So click on the hand, and the orbit tool is just here. And you click on that, and there's my orbit tool icon on my mouse pointer. And now all you need to do is click and hold with your left mouse button and drag, and that enables you to click, drag and rotate around your shape. You can also click and drag and rotate underneath and then back on top. So all I'm doing now is holding my mouse down, my left mouse down, and dragging upwards and downwards. Here I'm dragging left, and here I'm clicking left and dragging my mouse to the right. So it's always the left mouse button clicking down and dragging, and that enables you to rotate around your shape. And that is how you use the push-pull tool to make your 2D shape into a 3D shape, and also the orbit tool, which enables you to rotate around your shape and look at all the different sides. I hope you understood that. I hope you got that. Practice, practice, practice. Really important with this, because this push-pull tool is amazing. You can make your 2D shapes into 3D shapes. And we'll use the push-pull tool later on when we create our different buildings or houses. Okay, take care and practice, and I look forward to seeing the results of your hard work at Google SketchUp. Take care and see you soon.